There are multiple definitions to what justice is. One definition of justice is to recognize the rights of your surroundings, the rights of other people, and to give them their due rights, to give them what they deserve. This is one definition of justice. But this necessitates that you know what justice is, that you know what the rights of others are, that you have knowledge of the rights of what surrounds you. Because if you have no clue about what are the rights of other people, how can you establish justice? An important prerequisite to justice is therefore knowledge. You have to know the rights of your surroundings. Those who are ignorant, they cannot recognize what their rights are. What are the rights of others around them? Because everything around you in this life has a right over you. Even your own body. Every single cell in your body has a right over you. Even a small little ant or bug on the street or on the playground or on the grass has a right over you. Do I recognize that? Imagine if these minute, small, existing creatures have this right over me. What about my neighbor? What about my family members? What about my friends? What about everyone else in my society? This is one definition of justice, and this definition of justice necessitates that we have knowledge. Without knowledge, we cannot implement justice properly. Another definition of justice is that justice is practicing wisdom. When you are able to put everything in its rightful place, that's justice. Because that demonstrates wisdom. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the all-wise. Everything that He's done, He's put everything in its right place, where it belongs. This is another definition of justice. Justice is so important in the eyes of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and according to all prophets, such that it is their most sacred mission. If you ask any prophet of Allah, what is your mission? Why have you come forward to society? Why are you practicing and teaching the revelation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? They'll tell you, my goal is to establish justice.